The glove I'd actually recommend first if a friend asked me the upgraded 5-finger electrostatic pet hair glove for cats and dogs. Here's why this one takes the top spot. It solves the biggest complaint people have with pet hair tools: waste. Instead of buying sticky paper rollers over and over, this glove is fully washable and reusable. Just shake off the debris or rinse it under water, and it's ready to go again. Over a year, that's real money saved, and less plastic waste too. It's also one of the larger gloves on this list, at 9.25 by 6.69 inches, with an upgraded 5-finger grip that's specifically designed not to slip around your hand, which sounds minor until you're 45 minutes into cleaning a couch and your other options keep sliding off. The technology here is electrostatic. It uses static electricity to lift lint, pet hair, and dust with simple, gentle left-to-right strokes. No aggressive scrubbing, no rolling, no stopping every few seconds to peel off a sticky sheet. It's made from a breathable mesh fabric, so it stays comfortable through longer sessions, and it's genuinely versatile clothing, bedding, sofas, carpets, car seats, you name it. If it's fabric, this glove works on it. What puts it at number 1 is the combination of size, grip, reusability, and sheer surface coverage. It's not just a grooming tool, it's a full household pet hair solution. If I had to recommend just one glove off this entire list, this is it.